Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Well, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Facebook account. And then, on the right top corner, click the three horizontal line. And then after that, just scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. And the next thing that you need to do is to click Setting and then scroll down. And then go to Your Information. After that, click Download Information or Download Your Information. And then you will be directed to your activity across Facebook. And then the next thing that you need to do is to deselect all. And then only select messages. After that, choose the date range that you want. And then choose the format of file that you prefer. And then the next thing that you need to do is to select the media quality. Then confirm. And then wait for the file to be downloaded. So that is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and have a nice day.